Namaste students, welcome to RHchemistry. So in KEA website, just now they have released two important list of students, right? So one is for eligible students last final sheet, eligible students final sheet PDF, and eligible non-Karnataka students final list. Remember, eligible Karnataka final list, eligible non-Karnataka list, they have released in the KE website. Please check your name. So the students which have already done the option entry, don't worry about the process that if your name is there or not. The option entry, if you are not done, the verification slip, if it is not yet downloaded, they have told you that you can download the verification slip now and participating in the option entry. Because of that reason, they have extended that particular option entry process. So that is the thing which is given by KEA. So when you click on this particular list, I will show you. So UG NEET, so final application already I have downloaded. Hence, I will show you that the downloaded this sheet, and also this Karnataka, that is non-Karnataka students also, I will show you that. See that particular PDF. Now it is opened. Already I have downloaded, right? So now you can see this. So around 2064 pages are there here. You can see that. You can go on see these names. So what all the instructions they have given, that I will tell you. And this instruction is same for both. Hence, so here you can see final verified list it is. Please note that SC/ST eligibility is not applicable for non-Karnataka. It is applicable only for Karnataka. Download the verification slip for entry options. So which means if you have not downloaded your verification slip yet, you can download. And if any eligible candidate name is not shown in this particular list, you have to contact KEA, it is there. After the publication of the mock allotment result, opportunity is given to candidates add, delete or modify the entered option. Remember, so modify after the options in the order of preference, the publication of the final allotment list. Which means, so after mock allotment also you can change or add or delete or update that particular list or according to your preferences, so that you can do before the final allotment result. So this is the news which is given in KEA website. Please visit the KEA website and download these lists and check whether your name is there or not. As I told you, if you have already completed with the option entry, then don't worry whether your name is there or not. Don't worry about that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.